Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can fix your connecting to Telegram problem. I don't have the problem just right here, but I know 3 things that you need to do how you can fix your connecting to Telegram problem. Alright, the first one is by just deleting your open app by swiping it away. Now if I go again to Telegram, hopefully it works right now. When it's still not working, I have option 2. And option 2 is go back, go to settings, go to your Wi-Fi and make sure that your internet connection is definitely good. So if I tap on the information, just make sure that everything works here and that your Wi-Fi is working. Then, if you are not using Wi-Fi, make sure that your mobile data is working. Maybe you are over your internet bundle, or maybe your mobile data is not working, so make sure that this works. This was option 2. Alright, for option 3 you need to go to your settings, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and then from here scroll down to your Telegram application. Alright, then tap on Telegram application and then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app again. And now you want to reinstall the app. Alright, the app got downloaded, and now if you tap on the app, you can see that the app probably will work again. Alright, these are the 3 steps, and if your app still connecting to Telegram, let me know it in the comments because I will help you out and I want to fix this together with you. Alright, if you found this video helpful and it works for you, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.